In this lesson, I will show you how to clean up the dark mode and light mode styles. So if you go to your operating system settings and change the mode to light, you'll notice that there are these gradients in the background. So let's go ahead and fix that issue. So I'm going to go back to VS Code and go to the globals.css, and I just want it to be a flat color. So I'm going to get rid of one of these backgrounds, and then I'll do the same here. And then I'll get rid of this linear gradient here. And change this to background RGB. And then I'll hit save. And I'll go back to my browser. And you can see that that gradient style is gone. And if I go back to my settings and switch it back to dark mode, you can see that it is now back to dark mode. So that should make things a little bit easier to style during this course.